This video seeks to explain how to use FormBuilder Plus add-on within Google Sheets to create a fully functioning quiz. Once we have our FormBuilder Plus add-on extension, and if you don't have it, the process to find it is to go to extensions, then add-ons, get add-ons. You would search for FormBuilder in the marketplace, and you're selecting FormBuilder Plus. Walk through the steps that are needed and necessary, and once it's installed, then it shows up on your sidebar like this. Now, I would have already created a quiz, so I'm going to start again so that you can see exactly what are the steps. So we're starting. Now, there are a few options that you'll have to go through. So first up, if there's more than one sheet within your Google Sheets document, and you can see from here I have 5 of them, then you need to select which one you want to work with. Today I'm going to work with this, the NY5NBT domain. I am going to use the entire sheet, and I'm going to be creating a quiz. Once I make those up selections, now there's some little points that we have to fill in here. So where do my questions lie within the sheet? And you go through each option, select the relevant column. So for questions, my questions are in column B. Images are in column C. The type of answer is in a column E. The description of anything that needs to be included on the form is in D. My answers start at G, option 1, and they run their 4 options. So it's G right through to J. So answers start at G, answers end at J. Whether the question or the particular section is required is found in column F. And the last set of options, I will not add another column. The correct answer is found in M, and the points for each question is located in L. Now that I have all those options, I'm going to click Get, and what the add-on is going to do is to start pulling through pieces of data. Now, Preview helps you to see a screen view of what it would look like. It's not the actual form as yet, and you can go through and delete pieces here if you do not want them. So for instance, I use the entire sheet just so that I can show you how to work with this. So delete is not something we're going to use, so I'm going to take it out. We don't need this. I'm going to take this out as well. Now, assessment is fine. We need student information, and we need the rest of other pieces. Now, if you note, these are the different questions that have come up. So I'm going to confirm the changes. Note that even if the entire thing doesn't load well, once you get into Google Form and you open it up, you still will be able to make initial and additional changes. Create is next. What's the name for my form? What do I want to call it? So I'm going to call this Grade 5 NYBT Quiz 1. Click in Create. This is what is going to set up the template for the form. And when I click Import, so following my importing of the questions, this is what comes up. I'll now open up the form, and I'll continue showing you how you can edit. So one of the things is that in some of the questions, there were images that were needed to be within them. So when that happens, there are times when the add-on will not bring across an image. So if you click on these buttons here, you can then add in the image. So select. Now I'm just going to browse on my computer and pull up an image so that you can find the right image. So this would have been this one, I think. So this is my image now. So I've listed the expressions within this image, and students would select which is the option for the particular question. So this one likewise doesn't need an image, but these two require an image. Same thing. I'm going to go browse for the image. And you would have had to already have created these images so that you can then just pull them into the document. That don't look like the correct one. Let's try again. Maybe the bigger so that I can see exactly which one it is that I'm pulling in correctly. Okay, that's correct. The one that we pulled in before is the one that belongs here. Should be the last image that I think I need in this form. It's this one. Nothing else needs an image. Now we can set the settings for these particular quizzes. Create, how to see the grades, what to do about questions, how to determine the point value, how to manage responses, whether we want to collect email addresses, requires a sign-in, no, or limit to one response. So I'm going to limit it to one response. Manage how the form and the responses are presented. So there's no link to submit another response, only one is going to be used. I will not shuffle the question order, not collecting addresses, and not making the questions required. We've already set that before. My settings are good. This would be the responses page. And if you want to see exactly how the form would look, preview shows you what somebody who's going to be using the form would see. The person can click here, put in their name, click here, put in their class, and then they'll make their different selections. Once they make a selection, they hit the submit button. The options will then be tallied, the answers will then be tallied up, and once they click submit, they can see their final score. Thank you for looking at this video. I will also post or share links to 2 others that I have found on YouTube.